There is a saying, if you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. And gratitude is the most powerful catalyst. It's a spark that lights a fire of joy in your soul. And this is exactly what we should implement within ourselves. Assalamu alaikum, honorable chief guests, respected principal sir, vice principal madam, chairman sir, and director sir, respected teachers, and my dear seniors, juniors, and fellow mates. A warm regards to all of you. I don't know if you know me, but I am Rifa. I study in class 10, and today I'm here to give a speech. It's crazy that how fast time flies. It's crazy because it's like yesterday we were in class 8, bid goodbye to the first batch of class 10, the second one this year, and the next one is us. Surely this was beyond the imaginations of class 4 Rifa. And sensing the near end of this journey, I feel like introducing myself as Rifa of class 4. You know why? Because class 4 was my first class in Jept English Medium School. I remember when I was in class 4, I wasn't scared of ending things like this. And it breaks my heart today that today I am in class 10 and we have only 1 year left. And if we see, we don't also have 1 year left. This year, 2025, isn't for us. It doesn't belong to us because this year belongs to our academic proceedings, our performances, and eventually we will be part away from all kind of events which we lived over the years. Thus, we can say we are no longer here. This is called business, and now I realize how that each passing moment is a passing of life, and each moment of our life is life itself. And so I would like to share something with you today because I don't know if I will ever get the chance to say these words again. The things goes, these hallowed walls of our building, once intimidating, has somehow become my second home. I remember they have witnessed some of my awkward teenage years, my triumph, my failure, my laughter, and my tears. They saw me blossom from a hesitant freshman to the individual I am today. This institute, Jept English Medium School, is just more than classrooms and textbooks, but it has been a crucible forging to my character. It instilled in me the values of things, the importance of lifelong learning, the power of collaboration, the beauty of diversity, and the significance of contributing something greater than myself. My school boasts a remarkable faculty. When I see my teachers, I feel like they have some specialties which they have contributed in me. And when I see our school staffs, this may sound unbelievable, but when I was in class 4, I was young. I was scared of coming school. And the staffs of our school, the arts, loved me so much that seriously, depending on their love, I used to courage to come to school. And finally, my juniors, thank you for making me the senior. Don't think that you have some more years to be in our shoes. Because I also thought the same way. And see how betrayed I am. So I would like to share some conclusions with you. This may not be groundbreaking, but surely can benefit you. Firstly, cherish the moment. Cherish the moment because time flies by. This time will never come back. Treat others with respect, empathy, and kindness. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things. This life may throw lemons at you. You make sure you make lemonades with them and do not blame life for that. Try to embrace the future because the future may seem uncertain, but it is full of exciting possibilities. And last but not the least, if you want to earn something, you should learn something. You know where this line belongs from? This line belongs from my source of inspiration. Our principal sir, MD Izhar Khan, he transformed me into a center of excellence where each and every student feels respected and valued. My dear juniors, cherish the moment you have under his guidance. Because time flies by. You just pay attention what he says and you will realize how each word coming from his mouth triggers some encouragement in achieving anything you set your mind to and acts as a shield against your negativities. And this is how he is. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.